How to contact Vivo customer service. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact Vivo's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to contact Vivo customer service. If you want to contact the customer support from Vivo, now first of all, if you have purchased any of the Vivo products, you can search for Vivo customer care number, and in the end just type in your country. So when you type in a country, what happens is you'll find the service centers and authorized service centers from your country that you can call for any of the issues that you're facing with a Vivo product. If you're looking for a general Vivo customer care number, so you'll be taken to support.vivo.com over there, and from there you'll be taken to their help page where you can contact the customer support team as well. But aside from that, you can see you can call them at these numbers if you're looking for a general option. But if you're looking for, let's say, a country specific service centers, then you can type in your country and you'll find the service centers of Vivo. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.